This is my 2015 crappy bike chick. Just kidding, it's not that crappy. My frame is a 2013 Stolen wrap frame in blue, though a lot of people think it's purple this time. It's not. My forks, I just got these. They're the Odyssey R32 forks in black. My headset is the Odyssey Pro headset in white. And then I have a Stolen stratos stem, and like the weird blue color. I like blue a lot. StolenTall boy blowers, that's what they are. StolenTall boy. This bike was all stock when I first bought it. It was a Stolen wrap 2013. They're still the stock bars. I love them. They're great. They're, I think, 8.6 rise. Oh no, they're 8.25 rise, and they're 28.5 wide. And then I have the Sunday Garrett Reeves grips. They're really super comfy, but they rip so easily. Like this one's ripped in half, but I keep scooting it that way. I have the Odyssey par ends in black. They're really awesome. They're holding up really well. I have the Stolen joint tires in blue, front and back in 2.3. This back one has a tape on it because I ripped a hole in it the first day I had it on our flat rail because there was a screw sticking out on the bottom and I was doing hangers and it slung over and cut it open. I was deeply upset. Very. The Stolen Rebellion front wheel. My wheels were originally black, and then I bought these two because those ones, I destroyed the first one and the second one. I think I destroyed the third one. Yeah, I destroyed 3 front wheels and a back wheel. I have the Stolen Thermite pegs. I was obsessed with Stolen for a long time. I still am. Their parts are great. Everyone says they're crappy, but they're really awesome. I have the Cinema ZX cassette wheel in the back laced to a Cinema 333 rim. Stolen Thermite peg in the back also. I have the Kmc some sort of chain. It's really loose right now. It's in light baby blue. It's like my 3rd chain. I had a Stolen ball and chain, half-length chain. That broke, and I decided that I would just go back to full length because they're lighter. I have a Mission Nexus sprocket, 25 tooth, and then I have the stock Stolen mob cranks. I think they're 175 millimeter long. They're really great, super strong. The paint doesn't scratch off very easily at all. I have the Merritt P1 plastic pedals in black. They're really grippy and the pegs are really good. Like they hold really well. Like I don't ever really slip pedals that much, and they're super slim, so they look really good. I have the Stolen Thermalite seat post in white because I was going to get black, but they were out of stock, and I wanted a seat post, but I didn't want to buy a $33 seat post, so I was like, that's light and it's cheap. Seat post clamp is just a stock one that came with the bike. I have the Volume Finer Thing seat in the multicolor. It's a really good looking seat. It's not the greatest, like, comfortability wise. Like, it takes a while for you to even get used to it. My one I had before was super soft. It was the Stolen stock seat. Really cushiony.